Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I practice daily to spoken English. Today I tell you always I didn't prepare anything, I speak what comes in my mind. What I am thinking, I speak. Now, so this is my 7th day of practicing spoken English, and today I I take I take topic, then I will speak upon it. Okay. So what should I take? What should? Okay. Now I I take topic about tree. Now a large tree in front of me, and he's still silent. No movement, no wave there, still silent. It's it's so tall, and I think it's I don't know what's its height, but it's very tall. It's tall as well as it's very straight. He start from bottom to upside and straight, and it has green leaves, and it's night time, so it's sleeping time of there. And where I have lived, where I am living, there are two eco parked here, and one motorcycle which name is Discover, used by my brother for delivery, and another vehicle is Splendor, which used by my uncle for delivery. And I am from standing on roof, and and see them through a balcony, standing corner of the balcony. And the one man in front of me is walking continuously for 20 minutes and still walking. Maybe he have breakfast, then he walk for digestion. That's also a good habit. Walk 10 minutes after having lunch, dinner, breakfast. Maybe it's depend on time. Now today's my academy was off, and I already prepared myself to go for academy. When I am on the way, sir messaged me that today is no class, today is off. So I thank God I read it on time, so I stopped myself from going to academy. Okay, that's good. It's 4 minute completed of spoken English. Now I have 6 minutes 6 minutes left. One light in front of me, it's very gigantic and bright, and in the sky there are much more clouds. I think it will be raining in midnight. Maybe I thought so. So I'm just having my dinner. I just had my dinner, and I am walking continuously to digest my dinner. And I this is very boring types of English that I used to speak. I speak after today, from tomorrow. I will take I will take topic to speak. Then I will also written some points about it. Then I will try to speak upon it. This is the good way of enhance my spoken English, because in from sixth day, from first day, from day one to this is seventh day, I speak whatever's come in my mind without any preparation, without any notes, without any think what to speak. I need to speak today without anything. On this is on the spot. But from tomorrow, I will take a topic, whatever the topic is. It's up to India. It's up to foreign. It's up to English. It's up to school. It's up to job. It's up to life. It's up to democracy. It's up to circularism. It's up to whatever the topic is. But I will think before starting the spoke. ठीक है, it's all right. Then decide what to speak and what to not to speak, because speak on the spot is way different. This is all I speak in English, but if you think that without preparation you can't speak 10 minutes in local language, in our local language, just think about it. We need a preparation, we need a topic to speak. That's it. It's 7 minutes completed. Now 3 minutes left. So what I need to speak? What? Okay, I will talk about my incentives. Okay, now I work in a Honda showroom as a sales executive, and my salary is 15,000 per month, and my incentive is depend on sale. The total target of month sale from for July month was for June month was 675 sales, 675 vehicle sales target. Okay, if I complete that target, then they will give us the 75 rupees for per scooter or bike. That's it. And multiply of 675 into 75, the amount will be distribute all the sales member. Now, and second incentive is warranty. If I sell warranty to the customer, then they will give 50 rupees for 3-year extended warranty, and 100 rupees for 10-year extended warranty. This is the incentive. I earn a lot from in June month through incentive, through extended warranty. Now, and another one is the specific vehicle target. For June month, it's 125 Activa 125cc deluxe model. Target was 125 units. So I think so. It will achieve. If it will achieve, then we will get 200 rupees for per scooter. And I sold I sold 200. I sold 3 to 4 vehicles. So now my incentive if I calculate my incentive rate, it's become 800 for 4 vehicle. Okay, as an incentive. So for June month, I earned a lot of money through incentive, and I will also get my attendance bonus because take I didn't take any leave for June month, and this is the July month. So this not now my time is over. Right now I should leave, and I hope you will doing well in your life and keep learning, keep motivated, and and stay happy always. That's a powerful point in your life. If you stay happy in your life, then you don't care about how much you earn. You don't care about who is with you, who is not with you. Okay, now uh, it's time over.